Today, I'm teaching you guys how to trade options on Robinhood Legends, even with the update. So if you haven't actually had access to this, what you're gonna need to do is one, have a Robinhood account. So if you don't have that, go ahead and create that. And then what you're gonna wanna do is go all the way over to your email that's attached to your Robinhood account. The reason for that is that's how I personally found it. I found they're advertising it to my email, and that's where it says Explore Legend. If you just click this, it'll then lead you onto their disclosure page. Now, this is important because you're going to want to accept this. You can read through it if you'd like, but honestly, for most people, they usually just review it and then press accept. So once you clicked accept, that's when you actually have access to Robinhood Legend. Now, something you want to keep in mind is that your normal Robinhood account is the same thing as your Robinhood Legends account. Okay, they're both interconnected, as Robinhood Legends is just the interface. That's it. So this new interface is already connected with your individual account or the account that the email was attached to. So once you're on this page, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and tap options trading. And here things are going to differ a little bit. So what you're focusing on here is this tab up here. Let me just make it a little bigger real quick. As you can see, it tells you how much you have, how much percentage it goes up, all that jazz. But the important thing here is the overview. On the overview, if you go down to the options buying power, this actually tells you if you have it enabled. If you don't have it enabled, it's actually going to give you a clickable link that allows you to apply into options. This application is actually going to lead you into a bunch of prompted questions. You simply just have to fill it out with your information. And after you do, they can then review you for level 2. Level 2 is basic option strategies, but it doesn't end there because there is a level 3. I've never went up to level 3 because I didn't want to do a lot of the more advanced option strategies. I just wanted calls and puts. But if you're interested in calls and puts only, this is where you have to go. But even then, you can just kind of go up the levels to your choosing. But you apply into this and they ask you a bunch of simple questions. And these are some of the things that you can do. And again, a disclosure page, which you just press accept on, and then you'll get access to it. Once you do, you'll then be able to trade anything you want. So for example, if I go over to Tesla, I also have the calls and puts right over here that I can just buy at my choosing. And that's kind of it. You just press which one you want to buy, you press the ask, and then it lets you do all of this stuff, so on and so forth, tells you all the information, and you could put in the order if market was open. But as you can see, we're in pre-market right now, so the market is currently not open. If this was helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like.